Hey, it's Carlo again from Farming Smarter. Today we're back here in Lethbridge and we're going to be combining some hemp. So this will be the first time we're combining hemp with the new combine. And we're combining it on the Slasky trial here. It's basically a rotational study trial. We have our long strips, blocks of 9 different crops. The only ones standing yet are the hemp, the corn, and the quinoa. And then the next year we'll be seeding in the exact opposite direction and we'll be creating nice small plots on all sorts of different stubbles. So the hemp over here, it's ready to go, it's ready to be combined, it's dried out nicely. The seeds fall properly out of the heads. You can see all the dead male plants have dried up and the female plants are the ones that are left with the seed. So we can cut this decently high. We don't need to put too much material through the combine. As you can see, most of the heads are some of them are almost 2 feet above the ground. So as you might have noticed, we also have some taller hemp growing here in the fields. This over here is a shorter variety, so it's a seed variety where what we're after is the seeds or basically the hemp hearts. While the taller varieties we grow in other areas are more after the fiber. So then we want the taller, the length is more beneficial.
So before we combine the whole plot, we gotta sort of optimize our combine settings. So we'll take a little bit off and take a sample through and make sure that it's all clean. And if it's not, we'll change our fan settings and concave settings in the combine. And we'll check out the back of the combine as well to make sure we're not dropping too much seed out the back, because we want to keep as much as possible and not leave a ton to be volunteers next year. So with this combine, the Harvest Master unit in it will take a representative sample from the whole plot and sends that up to the cab for us, and we can put that in a bag, and we keep all those bags labeled with the plots, and that allows us to do different things with it later, like protein analysis and oil analysis. And yeah, it gives us different information about the plots and how the different things that we're doing in the plot research are affecting the yield of the plots.